Easily vanish small items without any awkward handling or sleight of hand. So easy, it's practically self-working. From the creator of Anygo Hanky and best-selling Anygo Hanky Pocket, we bring you Anygo Hanky, manufactured with the finest fabrics with a stunning jacquard pattern. Use it to vanish rings, coins, poker chips, playing cards, and much more.
If you want to make it vanish, well actually before I put it back, let's just cover it for a moment. I'll get someone to hold it. They hold it there like so. You give it to them, it's the idea, and now watch, we'll make the ring vanish and it's completely gone, just like magic.
Rings, coins, you can use it for any coin. No more problems using international currency when abroad. Playing card, Mercury folder playing cards, billets, messages or notes, banknotes, you name it. Something small, you can fit it, you can vanish it, and more. Anygo Hanky Pocket comes in the silver, black, and white. White for the formal black tie performances, looking smart. Deceiving methods and easy to do with no awkward handling or sleight of hands. Anygo Hanky Pocket by Grum.